We got all the seagulls around us, y'all, because we feeding them. They some beasts, though. Throw it, babe. Throw it, hurry up, hurry up. Baby, see, you getting too close, boy. You getting too close now. Throw it away.
They're fast, huh, babe?
Oh, that nigga going bad. He going bad. He about to bite your ass.
I don't want him to bite me.
Look at this nigga. He waiting. He toasty. At least he white. It ain't dirty. He said that was ketchup on his beak. Whoa, cuz, you gotta watch out. Why you throwing it so fucking close? Go over there. Alright, babe, we're done. We're done. Stop. Just stop. Let's go. I don't like this idea. This was a bad idea. Oh, shit. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What happened? What happened?